So, God bless everyone. This is Jessica Sotomayor. Today, I will teach you on how to customize the desktop. So first, Microsoft Word is a word processing program designed to help you create professional quality documents with the finest document formatting tools. Word helps you organize and write your documents more efficiently. Word also includes powerful editing and revising tools so that you can collaborate with others easily. So to change the desktop icons, perform the following steps. So in the personalization window, click the change desktop icons. And then click the change icon to display the change icon dialog box. Then select the required icon. Then click OK. So to restore the previous icons, perform the following steps. So first, in the personalization window, click the change desktop icons and then select required icon, then click restore default, then click apply and then OK. So to change the wallpaper, perform the following steps. So open the personalization window. Click the desktop background, then select the required image. So select the picture, position from the picture position less, then leave changes. So to change the color of the window pane, perform the following steps. So first, open the personalization window, click, then find the window color. Now click the window color, then select the. So after you open the window color, select the required color. So you can find any color that you want, then select the required color, then change the color intensity levels, then click OK. So to set a screensaver, perform the following steps. So click the personalize window and then find the screensaver and click it. So you must select the required screensaver, whether it is a 3D text, blank, bubbles, or Mistify, photos, or ribbons. Then after you click that you want, then select the required time here. Then click apply, then OK. So to apply a theme, perform the following steps. So first, open the personalization window, And then click the required theme that you want here. Any theme that you want. The 30, so Windows 7 architecture characters. Click anyone here. So that's all, and thank you and God bless.